4R black bass tuners. This is the 4R, so they're 4 in a row. They're not the 2 and 2s. Sealed and closed machine head here. I can see a little nylon washer right there. You have a little adjuster on here so you can adjust the tightness or looseness, how easy it turns. They appear to be no different than any other tuners that you normally get. They seem to be all right. Let me measure this end right here. You can see we're looking at almost 14 millimeters right here. If we convert that to inches, we're looking at a little over a ½ inch. What I usually do is I use a reamer when I put these on. Obviously, you're going to want a luthier to do it if you don't feel comfortable reaming out the headstock of your guitar that you love so much. You know, a 9/16 reamer should do it for you. They come with 4 screws, 4 washers, and the 4 caps that go on here. So basically, you'll create the hole size that you need, put a washer on here, and put the cap on. I like to get them all installed first. To get them all going the same exact direction, then I'll drill a pilot hole and screw the hole in using wax with the screw so I don't split the wood. Seem to be an okay, solid enough tuner for this old bass, and I think they're going to do the job just fine. And there we go. Finished product, just have to put the screws in. I think they look pretty good. So far, so good.